Oh, good morning, beautiful. Look at that thing. Phew, man. Oh, man, you know what, guys? I don't even know. Again, welcome back to another video. I don't know what we're doing today, but what I want to do is I'm going to go get in this truck. I'm going to just go drive. I'm going to go cruise because I just want to drive this thing. I mean, look at this thing. This thing just looks so good, so perfect. I mean, I'm in love with it. So let's just get in and go drive, guys. All right, guys. Well, change plans. Just got a phone call from Efren right now that my manager, the main guy's there, John, Hillbilly Johnny, that we like to call him, did not show up today. He called him. He's extremely sick, and it's very, very rare for that guy not to show up to work. He's, you know, she's with me for a long time, and he's never ever called in sick. So he must be really, really sick, really bad. So now we got to go to work because, well, we got no one to bill people out. We got nobody to make invoices. So that's you guys asked me, well, how is, you know, being a business owner? It's got its perks. Then it's got times where if I didn't make plans today, like, thank goodness this happened today and not yesterday. If it happened yesterday, I would have had to cancel the whole trip to CJC and not been able to go. I mean, that's, you know, that's kind of the good and the bad of it is, you know, I can't, what am I gonna tell them? Close the shop down, close the doors? Can't do that, you know. So now we're heading out to the shop, and well, hopefully we can just make today run smoothly. Guys, we have arrived. Look who we have here. We got the main man, Efren. What do you think, Avroni?
Nice.
Do you like it? Too big? Too small? Should I go bigger?
You should go bigger.
You're crazy. I can't even get down here right now as is.
Bro, looking good.
Looking good? What's going on here? I heard you just by yourself?
Me, Cesar, and Sean.
Oh, Sean's here today?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, guys. Well, I'll continue this vlog inside. We got to make sure Efren's making money over here. All right, guys. Sorry I couldn't record too much. We were just so busy. It's hard to record and get all that work done. But I'm getting a lot of DMs from you guys asking me also, how do I like the truck with the 37s? Are you going to re-gear it? You know, are you going to keep it? I mean, as of right now, to be honest with you guys, it's still pulling good. Pulling as in, you know, driving good. Power is still good. Torque is still good. I honestly haven't noticed a real power loss. What I have noticed is the RPM. So at about 80 miles an hour, this truck's at about 1900 RPMs. Now this truck is at about 1700 RPMs. That's the only thing I really noticed. Also, now the speedometer is off. I noticed about 4 to 6 miles an hour, so we got to get that fixed. I'm purchasing a device, waiting for them to let me know when they're going to have it for the 19s, so I can, you know, have the speedometer that, you know, right on. I don't want it off, you know, 4 to 6 miles. That's going to bug the hell out of me. But I mean, honestly, right now it's doing great. It doesn't seem like it needs to be re-geared, but the true test will be when I hook up the ding-ding. Once we hook the ding-ding up to this and, you know, tow it around, take it to the desert, you know, we're heading out next week, take it to the desert, see how it does on the flat, also see how it does coming up the grades. So you guys know that's going to be my main thing. If it does good pulling up the grades, I don't think I'm going to re-gear it. Temperature of the transmission staying good. It's not moving. The truck doesn't feel like it's struggling at all. So far, so good. All right, guys, well, we're back home now. Day's done. Truck drove amazing. We had to get her cleaned up because I drove it, started raining on me, and it just looked disgusting. There was just stuff and dirt. You don't realize when you get these tires now all the dirt just comes all along the side of this truck and just gets it filthy, filthy brown. You're wondering what this is? Well, this is Big Lou. Big Lou is here. Big Lou, what you doing under there, man? Struggling, okay. Well, guys, stay tuned for Big Lou's video that we're about to do. And what?
We got a little issue.
What do you mean we got an issue?
I might get my skull crushed by this big.
Oh, great. All right, guys, so I got to go help Louis before he crushes himself. I will give you a little hint on what we're doing over here. You can probably figure it out from there. Yes. You're going to disappear? Okay, yes, we are installing the DPF bat kit on Lewis's truck. So what we're going to do now is I already installed the unlock cable. And for you guys asking me about the unlock cable, I did a video on it already before in my older videos, but just a quick little recap. The unlock cable, so when you guys, I can't get in there now, I can barely open this door, but when you guys are installing that unlock cable, you're gonna have 3 like bricks under the hood where the end of it they want you to plug in. And it's going to be the middle green brick, and you're gonna go, and I believe you only have 1 slot available in that section. It's going to be the fifth one, the fifth empty one. That's where you plug it in. And then also with the unlock cable, what you need to do with the wires, so on the 18, you're gonna pull the wires, you put the yellow and the yellow and the orange and the orange. With the 19s, you don't do that. You actually put the, whoa, I'm gonna drop the camera there. You actually put the yellow and the orange and the orange and the yellow. So that's what we just did. His tune is already downloaded. Always, guys, when you're tuning your truck, make sure you download the tunes first and make sure the truck's good. It starts, it does all that. And then you can start installing the DPF back exhaust on the truck. And that's it. Once it starts everything else, you're good to go. Lou also has a switch. Well, I also have a switch. I'm going to just give it to Lou because I'm not going to use it. Yeah, here they are. We're going to hook up this switch for him. And then, yeah, I already installed the unlock cable. Other than that, you know, well, we'll just get started. What's going on, man? I don't hear any. I just see you laying there.
Well, the hanger's already taken off. The thing is, if I pop the hanger off more, it's going to freaking crush me.
No, they're just little exhausts. You're just doing DPF back, so it's tiny. All right, let me get under here and help them, guys, real quick, and I will show you the shenanigans. And you see here, guys, if you don't believe me, so there's still the cat, the DPF, all this stuff stays intact, and it's just from back. DPF back that's the only part that we change on the exhaust. Other than that, everything else, all this stays intact on the truck. All right, guys, so Big Lou now has almost completed it. We have to put the back exhaust on it. Other than that, everything seems to be going good. What do you think?
Yeah, ready
Everything's
for some horsepower.
pretty kosher. Yeah. All right, well, let's get started putting it together. Well, guys, after hours of figuring out, we got some wrong. Just the sizing was not proper, but after Lou hours, I gotta say he's almost got it. We gotta put his tip on, and then well, we'll give you guys a little startup and see how she sounds. Oh, actually, we have to put a switch in also. Once we put the switch in, then we can do the startup. All right, guys. So everything is clearly done. You see here the DPF back kit. Now it's time to install the switch. I gotta take a quick cigar break over here. But so how you install these switches on these 19 Rams? What I like to do first is I just take a little coat hanger and I'm going to poke it through the firewall on the other side, and Big Lou's going to be over there and he'll grab it, and then I will show you how to set the switch up and where to plug everything in. Alright, guys, so all I do here, let me turn this light on for you, is I make a little hole in there, the drill bit, and then I shove the wire right there. Makes it easy. The firewall's all the way up in there, makes it hard. This makes it very simple and easy right here. And then Big Lou, you see it in there? Big Lou is going to grab it, if he can reach it. Oh, we gotta get his flashlight. Yeah. Can you get it in there, Big Lou? All right, guys, and just like that, it just pulls right through, very simple. So now we're going to put some wire loom on it, and then we're going to start making the, not making the plug, but it comes with the plug. So we're going to pull the tape off and then plug all of the prongs into it, and then I will show you exactly where. So right here, here it is, and you can't really mess it up because they mark it for you, the red and the black, and then the only other one is white. So if you can't figure out where the white one goes, then you probably shouldn't be messing with the truck. Alright, guys, oh, I'm blinding my light here, but so you see here the red, black, here's the plug right here. All you do is see little gaskets, push them through. You're going to hear a little tick. Hear that? That means it's in all the way. Just give it a little tug. Make sure it's not coming out. Then same thing goes for the black one. Very simple. Put her in. There you go. You got your clip. That's in. The white goes obviously where there's no color. And that's it. Just like that. Now your switch is ready to be plugged into the back, and the switch is ready to be working. I'm gonna run this, and then once I'm done running it, I will show you guys where the plug is to plug this in. All right, guys. So what I like to do, let me turn this off so you can see. So what I like to do is there's a. Well, now I can't see. Can you see, Lou? Can you see right here, Big Lou? You guys see this? Can you guys see that right there? See that?
Yep.
So I'm gonna pop this off. It just makes it easier to grab the switch. So where you need to plug the switch in is right back here. There we go. So see that? that just comes off like this. Move this out of the way. All right, and then there is a plug that is, let me have the camera so I can show them, right here. If you guys can see, that's the plug right there. And you're gonna unplug that, and that's where you're going to plug your switch into. And bam, just like that, guys, we got it plugged in. We're gonna tuck her. I tuck it just back into here, put a nice zip tie right from, there you go. Sorry, probably can't see this. So there's the wire right there. Just zip tie it to here. We're gonna put this back. Don't forget, push down on it. That's it. And now, make sure you secure everything. We're gonna put some zip ties here. Switch is installed, and Big Lou is going to start his truck up for the first time. Smells weird now. The hell happened? Man, it just like puked out some black something. Some tape. I don't know. You better take this to the dealer. Yeah, doesn't sound right. Well, there he goes, guys. He's all done. Big Lou's very, very happy now. Now he's just waiting on his lift and his tires. Well, there you have it, guys. Lou's truck is now all done, complete. He's loving it. Sounds great. But thank you guys for watching this video. If you guys like this video, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to click subscribe. Peace.
Yeah.